Hi guys, this is Veronica from the Spanish school De Una. We teach you the local way of speaking Spanish. Today we're going to learn the verb ir in Spanish, the verb to go, in an easy and fast way. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, at the end of this video we have a surprise for you. Let's start conjugating the verbo ir. Yo voy, tú vas, él va, nosotros vamos, ellos van. We're going to use this structure to speak in actions that is going to happen very soon. It's a very close future. The structure is this one. We're going to use verb ir plus the preposition a plus the verb and infinitive. For example, yo voy a comer una pera. Yo voy a comer una fruta. As you can see, I chose voy because I'm talking about myself. Yo voy a leer un libro. If you want to speak about someone else, you have to conjugate the verb in that person time. For example, ella va a leer un libro. As you can see, leer is another verb and is infinitive. Yo voy a leer un libro. You can also compare this structure with the I'm going to do something in English. For example, I'm going to drink my coffee. Yo voy a tomar un café. Easy, right? Now it's your turn to practice. How would you say, I'm going to the bathroom? Great job. In this case, we're going to use yo voy a ir al baño. Check that in this situation, we're going to use 2 times the verb ir. One is going to be conjugated as the formula says, and the verb ir in his infinitive form. Another one. How would you say, I'm going to speak French? I'm going to speak French. Yo voy a hablar francés. Let me know in the comments more sentences that you can translate from English to Spanish. Yo voy a leer los comentarios. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the description box, you can find a PDF completely free that has more information about this lesson. You can also click the link and you will find more audios, more exercise, more activities, videos, and a lot of things to do for you to practice your español. I will see you next time in De Una Spanish School. Bye bye.